Hey everybody, we've got a 1964 Chevy C10 pickup, and this one came in. It was green and kind of completed, but the customer wanted to do some upgrades on it, and so repaint it, kind of get the paint looking a little bit better. So we've gone through and fixed all the rust that was kind of hidden under the paint. We've redid the suspension so we could get Porterbuilt's version 7 drop member in here, and we could also have a little bit more room and space as we install the Camaro motor. So we got an LSA out of a Camaro, and so we're gonna get that hooked up in here rather than the old tired 5.3. So with that, we've kind of had to go through and redo a lot of the suspension. In the back, we basically wanted to get wider wheels, so we installed, again, an upgraded bridge so we could take the bags from the outboard and move them inboard. We put a Watts link on it, so we did a lot of nice upgrades on it so we can actually get a little bit bigger wheel in here. So now that we've kind of got it fitting, we got the wheels back on it, we just set the cab on it, and now we're going to start doing some mock-up and make sure we got plenty of room on the firewall for all of that stuff. We fixed all the rusted areas on the cab, and so we're pretty much, hopefully another 30 days away from, pushing this back and let the guys kind of get this in first primer so we can kind of see where we are with all the body work. But anyways, it's coming together. It's going to be nice. This is going to be a pretty cool truck, pretty much like our SEMA truck. It's going to be badass just like that. So stay tuned and follow us, and definitely one you want to check out as we, try to push forward and get it done. Thanks.